To find your Zelle QR code and share it for receiving payments, you can follow these simple steps. The Zelle QR code allows others to easily send money to your account by scanning the code. Open your bank's app or website. Log into the mobile banking app or website of the bank or credit union that supports Zelle. Many banks, such as Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and others have Zelle integrated within their apps. Navigate to the Zelle section. Go to the Payments, Transfers, or Zelle section of your banking app. This will vary depending on your bank. Find the Send Money or Receive Money option. Look for the option to either send money or receive money via Zelle. Locate the QR code. Within the Zelle interface, you should find an option to view your Zelle QR code. It may be under Receive or Settings. Some apps may have a Share QR code button, while others display the QR code directly within the app. Share the QR code. Once you see your QR code, you can either save it or share it directly via email or text to allow others to scan it and send money directly to your Zelle account.